Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have an offer of this 1967 Triumph Tr4A Irs. So it's a car built with the independent rear suspension. It's a 1967, it's finished in signal red with black trim, black soft top, black tonneau cover, actually black soft top boot. It's a 4-speed disc-wheeled car, like most all of them came that way. We purchased this car recently from Pennsylvania. It's a very, very good driver. I just took it for a drive there, and plenty of power, great transmission. You know, does everything it needs to do properly. Clutch, brakes, steers, stops, does everything well. Nice exhaust system. So I would call it a good driver. And paintwork on it is a bit older, but it's you know, pretty honest and got plenty of gloss left to it. But you can see here there's a little bit of shrinking going on, a little burn through here, or chipping and rub through, little spidering around here a little bit, you know. So it's got that kind of stuff going on, just little you know. See the age of the paintwork, but the body is, you know, pretty honest. Really good straight car, nice gaps. The area in here, which always kind of goes bad, it's just beautifully solid on this car. There's no issues. Door gaps are really lovely. Chrome work is the original. You can see here once again there's a little bit of lifting here and there. You know, we didn't really try and touch this stuff up. I just wanted everyone to see it. Little tiny bit of bubbling in this spot, but you know, but if you stand back 5, 7, 10 feet, car looks really good. So there's a lot of buyers out there that don't want to pay over 20 grand. They want a Tr4A with the independent rear suspension, and they want a nice driver that they eventually can do some improvements with, and this is the perfect car for that. So good honest car. I'll show you the interior here. Door panels are lovely there. They look original to me. This is a late 67, so it's a wooden dash car, which is real nice. A lot of people want that. A little bit of a dress-up interior. Original steering wheel. Gauges are functioning, except I think the ammeter. The ashtray, I haven't found it yet, but those are available new now. They produce them. Visors look original. Windshield's in good condition. Rubber's decent. But it's had some maintenance and work as necessary. It's got like some new door fuzzies on there. Seats are really nice. They're done in vinyl. There's no splits or cracks or tears. This is the original soft top boot. So I would probably get this to the trimmer and have it sewn up. It's a really nice to have this original weather equipment on it. There also is a little tear over here, you can see. So maybe do a little patch on that, but it'd be nice to keep that original soft top boot. Under that soft top is under the soft top boot is a brand spanking new soft top that fits the car just beautifully with a crystal clear window. This is the other door panel here. Carpets are decent. They're the original style loop carpet kit. They've probably been replaced at one point, but you know, they're showing a little bit of age. But like I said, it's the perfect driver's car. Just get in it, go. New soft top, which is a great bonus. I'll show you under the hood here. Under here we see it's all nicely painted red. So it's got the CD 175 Strombergs, which are correct for this year and age. Looks all nice up here. Little bit of trauma on that corner that's had a repair at one point. Also down in the driver's footwell, I noticed on the undercarriage pictures there's a little repair to the floor, but you know, the rest of the car is really lovely. So but yeah, starts on the button, runs great, plenty of power, great oil pressure. No smoke, no noises, healthy as a horse mechanically. You can just see me doing that driving video, and it feels nicely sprung and handles well, shifts great, just does everything you want it to do, just turnkey, ready to go. Nice grill, you know, older, honest, good presenting paint for a driver. And as of late, the market's chasing these cars, these 4A Irs models, Michelotti Italian styling. This was a big departure for Triumph designing this car, but you know, they've aged very, very well, and a lot of people are seeking these robust, you know, Italian style Tr4s. Real pretty car. It's my favorite Tr4. I love this power bulge here on the bonnet. This is just beautiful, the way that's sculpted into the bonnet. And then I like these little headlamp eyebrows here. Real nice, really cool. The bonnet's a work of art by itself. So, but yeah, lovely driver, turnkey, final year production, 1967. Triumph Tr4A Irs. It's 4-speed with disc wheels. It's finished in signal red with black trim and weather equipment. And great little car. It's for sale right now on my website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.